Good morning, children. So, class 7th lesson of science, lesson number 5, food safety. We have to going to learn about the food safety. We know all the why we required food. From food, we get energy. That energy we utilize to do work. Okay, and so all the constituents of food are required. So which are the food constituents? That also we call the nutrients. So carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers and water are the necessary food component which are necessary for proper growth of our body. So we eat every day all these nutrients. That means the balanced diet. We get these nutrients from the food materials, from the food sources. Basically, there are two food sources. One, we get food from plants as well as we get food from animals. So all vegetables, fruits that we get from the plants, and the food item that is milk and milk products, eggs, meat, flesh that we get from the animal sources of the food. So what will happen if the food material are infested by insects or spoiled in any way? We know we required a good quality of food. Our body required good quality of food. But if there are some various factors which are responsible for the spoilage of food, such as various microorganisms like bacteria, mold, yeast, moisture, temperature, and chemical reaction that spoil our food atom. So we are going to learn about the factors responsible for the food spoilage. We know the food is required for a good functioning of our body. हम लोगों को कभी भी अच्छा स्वादिष्ट खाना और अच्छा ताजा खाना खाना चाहिए instead of this food spoilage. So spoilage food is not good for our health. Now we are going to learn some factors responsible for the food spoilage in this lesson, that is food safety. Okay, so sometimes many fruits or their skins turn black. Some foodstuffs give out a foul smell or bad odor. Such a foodstuff are not suitable for our good health. Okay, that means the food spoilage. खराब जो खाना है हमारे बॉडी के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता, उससे हमें बहुत सारे डिसीजेस हो सकते हैं. वेरियस स्टमक डिसऑर्डर्स आर कॉज्ड व्हेन यू ईट द स्पॉइल्ड food. So various factors which are responsible for the food spoilage. Okay, food spoil बहुत सारी चीजों से होता है. Basically, some microorganisms, some viruses and bacteria attack on the food. Then some molds, जो बुरशी आती है, mushrooms, mucor, that also spoil our food atom. Yeast also spoil our food atom. Then the moisture nowadays in rainy season, that is favorable condition for the microbes, growth of the molds and microbes. So that causes the spoilage of food. Temperature also causes the spoilage of food, is one of the main factor for the spoilage of food. Then some chemical reactions within a food takes place that also spoil your food atom, and that food spoilage of food is not good for our health. It causes various infection, food poisoning, or stomach related diseases, or indigestion also takes place if you consume the spoilage food. Okay, so some signs of the food spoilage may include an appearance, change in color, then change in texture, unpleasant odor and undesirable taste. These are some signs of spoilage of food. की means वो साइंस देखने से हमें पता चलता है कि अभी हमारा ये फूड है वो खाने योग्य नहीं है, इसमें इन्फेक्शन या फिर ये फूड खराब हो गया है. ओके, so see, sometimes fruits or their skins turn black. Some foodstuff give out foul smell or it gives the bad odor. खराब हो जाता है जिससे भी खाना हम लोग देखते हैं यूजुअली इन समर सीजन, जब ज्यादा देर तक खाने को वैसे रखते तो गर्मी की वजह से खाना खराब हो जाता है, उसके अंदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स अटैक कर देते हैं. So such a foodstuff are not suitable for our good health. Sometimes naturally available food materials are spoiled by wrong handling, and when they are overcooked also, overcooking also spoilage the food. उसके अंदर के जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, फूड ओवरकुक होने से वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स उसके अंदर के लॉस हो जाते हैं. Or improperly stored. Usually we use the refrigerator to store the food items. If the food is not stored properly, then it will spoil. So in such cases, the quality of the food material is deteriorates. Okay, decrease हो जाती है food की quality, उसका अच्छे से taste नहीं आता है, and that food not good for our health. So they may also be spoiled during transportation also. अगर हम लोग को फूड एक जगह से दूसरे जगह अच्छे से भेजना है, so that transportation में अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई होगी तो भी फूड आइटम स्पॉइल हो सकते हैं. Then so another examples of spoilage of food: if the food is not stored properly, it may spoil. If the problem in transportation, so food may spoil. Okay, these are the various reasons for the spoilage of the food. Okay, now the next is the on a day out with our friends, our family, we enjoy mouth-watering dishes like pani puri. What story is given? Pani puri, shev puri, pav bhaji, vada pav, pizza, burger. But have you ever given a thought to how or where they were made? We know these are the some street foods. You know the street foods are also not good for our health. Okay, like pani puri, papdi chaat, all these. So they are not hygienically good. So we should eat always the good. We should maintain a keep good hygiene. So all these matters with your good health. Okay. So the various kinds of changes occur in food materials. So food when the food spoils, so various changes occurs inside the food. So for example, the fruits turn black, okay, or change the taste. अगर आप फ्रूट्स लेते हो तो कभी कभी फ्रूट्स बहुत देर तक रहने से या फिर टेम्परेचर की वजह से उसके अंदर खराब हो जाते हैं, केमिकल रिएक्शन हो जाती है, सड़ जाते हैं फ्रूट्स. इट मे गिव फाउल स्मेल, also it may change its taste also. These are the signs of food spoilage. Then meat becomes sour, मीट sour हो जाता है, और peanut becomes rancid. All these changes occurs due to the factors within the food materials. Okay, so often food grains produced in farms are damaged due to various reasons like improper handling. अगर ग्राम से आप स्टोर करके रख रहे हो उसमें भी कुछ कीड़े पड़ जाते हैं, that also spoil the your food items. Then improper storage is one of the main reason. If you want to store your food items properly, you should dry it at proper place, dry in the sun. Weather अगर damp है, moisture weather है तो food items spoil हो जाते हैं, उसमें फंगस लगना शुरू हो जाता है. So you should maintain the proper hygiene, you should maintain the proper storage of that food item. Then improper transportation is also one of the main reason of spoilage of food. अगर आपका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अच्छे से नहीं है, प्रॉपर नहीं है, so it can cause the food spoilage. So some food stuff like meat and the milk are either acidic or alkaline. You know, the milk products that are very, you should have to take the proper care of milk and milk items. वो जल्दी से खराब हो जाते हैं, जैसे खोया है, बटर है, मिल्क है, you should store it at proper place. Then they may get spoiled due to chemical reaction on contact with the metals also. Metals के ऊपर भी जो खट्टी चीजें है उसका रिएक्शन हो जाता है और कोई चीजें खराब हो जाती है. Then sometimes food stuff may spoil due to contamination of microorganisms or insect from the surrounding air, water or the soil. Okay, these are the various reasons of spoilage of food. Okay, so this is the then food wastage. Another big problem is the food wastage. We know we are फूड वेस्टेज का बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम है. हम लोग भी देखो अपने घर में अगर फूड वेस्ट हो रहा है तो हम लोग नहीं खाने योग्य है तो हम लोग उसको वेस्ट करते हैं. उसका टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं तो फूड वेस्ट हो जाता है. या फिर आप देखो कि शादियों में, पार्टियों में लोग बहुत सारा खाना खा लेते हैं, बहुत सारा खाना अपने डिश में दे देते हैं ना, बट दे उसमें से कितना खाना वो खाते हैं और कितना खाना वेस्ट हो जाते हैं. सो दैट इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. So India has shown a great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. Even though many people in our country and all over the world face a problem of hunger. So many people have or face the problem of the hunger. कितने लोगों को खाने को कुछ भी चीजें नहीं मिलती, इवन एक दिन का खाना भी उनके नसीब में नहीं होता. बट जिनको मिलता है वो क्या करते हैं, लोग फूड वेस्ट करते हैं. सो इट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. मेनी डू नॉट गेट इवन वन मील अ डे. ओके, सो हेंस इट इज आवर ड्यूटी टू प्रिवेंट द फूड वेस्टेज whenever it takes place. So there are the two: quantitative wastage of food and qualitative wastage of food that we discuss in our next video. So first we discuss about the food wastage. If you are not store your food properly, the food wastage takes place. अगर फूड को आपने अच्छे से नहीं स्टोर करा, प्रॉपर प्लेस में उसका स्टोरेज नहीं हुआ, सो फूड क्या हो जाएगा, उससे स्पॉइल हो जाएगा और फूड वेस्ट हो सकता है. सो व्हाट इफ यू वांट टू do the proper storage, you can prevent the food wastage. So both the things are related to each other. You know, food is very much important for the good growth of our body. That nutrients which are present in the food that are required for the proper development, proper growth of the body. Okay, children. So this is about the food safety. So in our next period, we learn the types of food wastage, that is quantitative wastage of food and qualitative wastage of food. Okay, so bye everyone.